On April 21st, Vivo plans on making the X200 Ultra and the X200s official. The X200s will be available in soft purple and mint green shades, white and black. The X200s will be powered by MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9400 Plus SoC, a slight improvement compared to the Dimensity 9400 in the original X200. The X200s will have a 6.67-inch 1.5K LTPS flat OLED display with extremely narrow bezels on three sides. Featured a micro-quad curved screen equipped with an optical fingerprint sensor. The Vivo X200s is tipped to retain the same circular camera module on the back and accommodate 3 cameras including a periscope lens, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel LYT603X periscope telephoto lens with macro support. The X200s will pack a 6,200 mAh battery with 90W wired and 40W wireless charging support, and dust and water resistance rating. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.